So I've been working with smart objects lately, and I've had someone ask me on how do you clone stamp a smart object because they're new to it, and so I thought I'd just go ahead and make a video to show them. Now, in this file I'm using for an example, as you can see, I have quite a few smart objects in this one. I have a lot in this file. So I'm going to use my main characters as the example. So I'm just going to double click the smart object here, and that opens it in its own window. Now, if you've been working with them very much, you know this. If you're new, you may not, because this window here, when you open up the object, this is where you're going to do all of your work on your smart object. This is where you can make all your changes and everything. It's just like a normal window if you were not using smart objects like you would. You can see here I have all these layers. All these are off because I got them all merged into a copy here. So that's what we're going to work with. Let's go ahead and zoom in. Select the clone stamp tool. We're going to click Alt to get a sample. Let me up my flow here. And then there you go. We can just go and black out the eyes there. We're doing this as an example just to show you how this works. Okay, so there we go. Now, like all smart objects, when you're in this here, to make it affect the actual photo we're working on, we're going to save it by hitting Ctrl+S, and as you can see that's saving. Then this one, once it is saved, is automatically going to update. There you see it go. See? So we'll go back. See, that's before, and that's after. And it's just as simple as making your adjustment in the smart object by double clicking it. So that'd be closed. So once you can open it, you just double click that smart object and it opens on its own window. And then you just make all your adjustments here just like you would with any Photoshop piece you've been working on. So it's that simple. There's really not much to it.